Adult mode game coming soon. Alright, let's see what this is like. God. Ooh, the arrow. Yes, perfect. Is it? Yes.
Welcome to Roblox's Basics in Building and Scripting. That's me.
I have no words for how good this game looks, but okay. Login. Story mode. Collect all some notebooks and make school to win. So these are basically the same. But what the heck? Roblox. Okay, wait. Waluigi's invading the. Okay, no. This is not getting good already. Alright, what's this gonna look like?
Oh, hello there. Welcome to our headquarters.
Headquarters? What the? This is so good. This is so good. I love this. What's up? What's up, my dude? Give me a free Robux. Never mind. Warning, this mod is still in works. Okay. Got to have money. Yeah, let me just like... Can I like turn my volume down? This is freaking too loud.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
This is so
Answer
good.
the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Just type the correct answer into the empty box.
Okay, it's with this
You
now.
got it. Problem 2. You're doing fantastic.
We all know this, Baldy.
Good one.
Good job. I mean, Roblox. I didn't get your name on. So it was Builderman, not me.
Come here and get your prize. A shiny Robux. Just click on it with the left mouse
Yay,
button to
Robux.
add it to your Robux currency. Then, when you find something in the
Wait,
catalog,
why do I need Robux for
click
scripting?
on the object with the Robux selected. That's how you use virtual items, you know.
Okay. Quick mouse.
Problem 1.
Wait.
6 plus 5 equals...
I just realized. Are you smarter than Patrick? Boy, you know that I am.
Fantastic. Good one.
Never mind. I'm not. I hear every game you play. No, that's because I'm not. Nope. Okay, good. What the freak was that noise? Is he about to ban me? Wait, what? No! Builderman, please! Builderman! I got this. Get it! Go! What? Roblox, no, please. Please. Please, don't ban me. Listen. I've been a good boy. I've never been had a warning. Just kidding, I got deleted once. Please, have mercy. Have mercy, noob. Okay, I shouldn't have said that. I'm going in. Roblox. What is this? I know what this is. What? Okay, this is good. Please don't come in. Big man. Big man. Oh. Ankles! Oh no. Oh no. Why? Of course you were there. Of course. No, please. Wait. Big man! What have they done to you? What? No, you're not fair. You're not fair. You are not fair. Roblox. Roblox, please. No. No, please! Roblox! Ah! What the heck is that? The fish picking from Roblox. For real.
Welcome to Roblox's Basics in Building and Scripting.
Go to the...
That's me.
Mom wants to see you. Okay. Oh. That was...
Oh, hello there.
Killed?
Welcome to our
Why are you
headquarters.
glitching? Why are you red? That makes sense. You got to have money.
Now it's time for everybody's
Negative
bet.
5.
You're doing fantastic.
Negative,
Good one. Problem.
11.
Great job.
I'm not good at
That's
math.
Amazing. Come here and get your prize.
A
A
shiny
glow
Roblox.
duck.
Is that even a
Just
word
click
for
on it.
Roblox?
Problem 1. Good one.
I hear him getting played, noob. But man, don't come to this. I need to keep going. Hopefully you didn't see me. Is that the sock puppet? Is that the sock puppet on there? Yeah, it's definitely the sock puppet. Okay, so I think that's the guy who created the game, his avatar. Blocks. What did you just say? You want to go? I will beat you to death. What? Well, okay, that's not inappropriate. That's just ew. Why would I want to be? I'm not an otter. You know. I just troll. Catfish. Wait. You don't see me. I'm dead. Ooh, I'm so low. Roblox. Go away. The freaking, I actually just used my fingers. I'm so stupid. You're getting banned, son of a boy. Ugh. No, go away. Stop. Go. Okay, so. You're getting banned, anyway. Your mom's getting banned. I'm just kidding. Fun.
Let's.
I had to. Sorry, Victor, man. Ah! Please don't get another jump over. I'm gonna be so mad at you. Yeah, go away. Just walk away now. Hopefully you never get another jump over. I'm just kidding.
Looks like it's time.
Is that the sweeper? Looks like it's banning time? Gotta ban. No, you're not gonna ban me, idiot. Noob. I just told Albert words. You're welcome to judge me. I don't care. Freak. I need to wait till he comes here, right? Because this is still kind of dangerous. Yeah, I knew it. You're all fat. Fight me. Okay, 2. I hear every game you do. What? Wait, what's a script? Not play a game. Oh, wait.
Congratulations. You found all 7 computers. Now all you need to do is.
Oh my gosh! Why, hey. Get it. Woo. Put big man. No! You're not. What? No. 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 I'm almost there. Please. 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 Let's go. Let's go. I did. I did. I did. Oh no.
Wow, great job.
What the?
We need to try and do more though. I need to...
Oh my goodness. Okay. That will be the end of this video. Ha! The next time I'll just upload right away because, you know, I'm not really that good at editing, so it won't take me that longer, so, you know, stuff. Anyways, so, see you later. What the? Okay.